Okay, today we are creating custom maps for iNaturalist. So in an iNaturalist project, like this one here, I can, for example, use the project rules to sort by taxon and by location. So this one only, this one does not sort by location, but we're somewhere. I can, for example, limit this to Australia only or New South Wales only. So in this case, I want to create an iNaturalist map for the Hawkesbury Earth Care Center, which is somewhere a community garden I volunteer for. Notice its shape. There's a bite taken out of it by this building here, and it's got a rectangular pattern, but it's angled, so like I can't just input a grid of certain latitude and longitude numbers for this. So what we're gonna do is create it as a polygon. There, we have our polygon. Save it to project. Creating a project. Give it a name. Let's see. Hawkesbury Earth Care Center. And we export it as a KML file. Now, to start a project in iNaturalist and have one that's on a certain shape of an area, we go to Places, add a new place, Hawkesbury Earth Care Center. Parent is like a nation, a state, or a county area. I don't know how iNaturalist calculates these county areas because they don't correspond to city council, for example, but for this case it's Hawkesbury. And now add the KML file. Now what sort of thing is it? Commune, perhaps? City building, perhaps? Division. Estate, it might be the one. Point of interest. Just making sure. Yeah, point of interest seems to be the best one. Okay, double check it. Save place. Okay, now that this point of interest has been created, firstly, let's confirm its shape. Yep, seems to correspond to what we made using Google Earth. By the way, I find it easier to use the Google Earth for Chrome than the Google Earth Pro app to do this. Now that this place has been created correctly, we can go back to projects, start a project. There's two types of projects, collection projects and umbrella projects. Collection projects were what I just showed you earlier about how we can use them to select by area or by species or by time period, whereas umbrella would collect from a number of collection projects. So Hawkesbury Earth Care Center. Now the reason I'm creating this is because I want to see what species are present on the Earth Care Center. So I'm not going to select by taxa, but I'm going to select by place. I'm not gonna select by time. Check above for errors. I gave it a description. Okay, so something is not right. It should be automatically adding anything within a certain region. So let's see what went wrong. I'm gonna preview observations of the requirements. Okay, something is wrong. Let me try. Hmm. That is indeed odd. That it's not showing the observations I made at the Hawkesbury Earth Care Center. Because they definitely would do. I definitely have contributed some. So you see that those should all be on the list. Let me see if turning this off. There. So that's the problem. I need to turn off the hidden coordinates bit. And now every observation I made from the Hawkesbury Earthquake Center is visible. I have this. It's got a map of the area, and every observation I made in that area, or anyone who joins this project makes in that area, will become visible. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe.